Hi, I'm Ms. Dolder, and you are in Computer Science Principles. This course was designed to be a gentle introduction to many different computing topics. We will spend 1 to 2 weeks per topic and cover things such as computer programming, web design, big data, networking, cybersecurity, and too much more to mention. I hope you're looking forward to diving in a little bit to a lot of topics. We are going to use Google Classroom as our main interface, which will link into Code High School. Code High School will be what's called our IDE, our Integrated Development Environment, where you will be doing all of your coding, but some of the assignments will be done and turned in Google Classroom. So be familiar in Google Classroom with both the stream and the classwork tabs. The stream gives you more of the blog format that Google Classroom has. For this first few assignments, I've put them in order, but going forward, the most recent assignments will be at the top of your stream. Every week, you'll be getting this type of a video from me telling you what your expectations are for the week. Let's talk really quickly about my attendance policy. I've changed things a little bit this semester, trying to accommodate those of you that are still going to school in person, as well as those of you that are doing remote learning. This course is not designed to be an online course, but because of our situation, they did put us online. So here we are. And your attendance is going to be expected on Monday. I want you to come in to Google Classroom every Monday, watch your intro video, submit the attendance form, and see what assignments you have ahead of you for the week and budget your time. For the rest of the week, if you check in on Monday, you won't be marked absent. If you don't check in Monday, you'll be marked absent Tuesday. If you don't check in Tuesday, you'll be marked absent Wednesday, and so on. So please keep on top of checking in on Monday. Know what you have ahead of you for the rest of the week. You'll be given assignments on Monday. I will not grade them until the following Monday. So you have through the weekend, Sunday, to get those assignments in. They won't go as zeros in your grade book until the following week. So you have 1 week leeway to get things caught up, but then they'll go as zeros in the grade book. You can make assignments up, but please try not to get behind. In these remote classes, once you get behind, it's so hard to get caught back up. Like I said, you'll have your stream and your classwork. The classwork tab is organized more in topics. So you'll see our Intro to Programming with Functions is our first topic. We will move on from there to digital information and so on. These other topics won't show up until they get assigned. Each topic is like a unit. And like I said earlier, everything is linking to Code High School for the most part. I have a second video attached to this announcement that walks you through the Code High School environment, so I'm not going to waste your time and explain it all again. Really briefly, if you see a pencil here, it's something that you're expected to complete, which you're graded on. I would like you to come back to Google Classroom and turn in assignments that you complete in Code High School. That keeps things clean for you, so you know where you are at in the class and me as well. I will be grading in Google Classroom and Code High School, both environments. You should be able to see your grade book as well as PowerSchool to have a good idea of where you are sitting with the course. Try not to get behind. Like I said, it's very hard to get caught back up. In our stream, you can see this is my cell phone number. I don't mind if you text me. I don't mind if you call me. You can send pictures of code. You can also send me a message through Google Classroom or through Code High School. Email is another way that you can get a hold of me. So even though we are remote, you're going to be seeing a lot of videos of me, and I really hope that you watch them. This is how you're going to learn, is by listening to videos and being self-taught. So be an advocate for yourself. If you need help, don't be afraid to reach out to me. For this week, you will be doing 2 videos, and these videos, you watch the video and answer a question just right in Google Classroom. And then you're going to be looking at 2 lessons using Programming with Carol the dog. Carol is kind of like a robot. She only knows 4 commands until you teach her more commands. To start off with, she only knows 4. And you are going to be solving multiple puzzles, helping Carol learn more commands as you go. So to start with, we're starting really slow, 2 lessons in Code High School and 2 videos to watch in Google Classroom. For right now, I'm not going to give you any more instructions. You might be seeing some more videos along the way. Have a great first week, and I'm really glad you decided to take this course with me.